March 2025, Ocean Networks Canada and the Spanish National Research Council launched a new subsea cabled observatory in the Southern Ocean, north of the Antarctic Peninsula. The upgraded observatory replaces the original model deployed by the Spanish team near their Antarctic base on Livingston Island in January 2024. The observatory is designed to deliver high-quality, near real-time, open ocean data from one of the least observed parts of the planet. It is modeled on observatories that Ocean Networks Canada has been successfully operating in the Canadian Arctic for many years. This ongoing partnership between Spanish researchers and Ocean Networks Canada, a University of Victoria initiative, is advancing our scientific understanding of the Southern Ocean. The observatory will help provide answers to why and how fast the sea ice surrounding Antarctica is changing. It could also show the resulting impacts to marine life. The observatory lays the foundation to develop year-round technological monitoring of this remote location that is unstaffed during the polar winter. Development of the new observatory started months before in Victoria, British Columbia. Ocean Networks Canada engineers worked with visiting Spanish research staff on the many technical steps to the deployment. The scientific instrument measuring ocean salinity, temperature, and pressure is now fully encased in a protective titanium cage. An additional sensor is tracking dissolved oxygen concentrations. These data monitor changing environmental conditions near the Spanish base where freshwater glacier melt and ocean water converge. Ocean Networks Canada also created a palm-sized controller with its own operating software contained within the observatory's satellite shore system. Goals include improved data collection and integration into our sensor network. Other new features include a higher bandwidth internet connection and increased battery efficiency when transmitting data back to Ocean Networks Canada for processing, archiving, and visualization. This year's deployment will test the performance of the new observatory, which is suspended 23 meters below the surface in the Southern Ocean, one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Once fully proven, additional instruments and remote command features may be integrated. Continuous monitoring within these coastal waters is critical to understanding how the changing conditions will impact ocean biology and the future of sea ice around the Antarctic continent. This partner observatory reflects our commitment to advancing ocean observing and to the expansion of ocean monitoring in other remote parts of our blue planet.